According to Benjamin Arthur, when traditional rulers punish anyone who flouts the law, other members of the community will be wary of the dangers of poor sanitary conditions and will complement the efforts of government towards getting cleaner, healthier environments.
It's also on the community members and the traditional authorities to do more. Yes, we all look up to the government, but government is also us. That at our household level, at our community level, the traditional authorities have some power. They have, they have what they call some values which were helping to promote hygiene environment in their communities. Where are these values? We can bring them back. The traditional leaders should take the steps, the initiative, at least on your community level, enforce the laws in your community. Because if most of our traditional leaders can say, hey, today we are not doing this, if a community member is caught in this act, this is the punishment that we are going to mete out to that person. If the community agrees, they will find a way of enforcing that law, that mechanism.
He further asked individuals to play their roles well by asking their landlords to provide sanitary facilities whenever they go out to rent rooms.
So individually, we have a role to play. If you are living in a house where there is no latrine, you have to work something out with your landlord to make sure that latrine is provided. It's cheaper for you to have latrine in your homes than to walk outside and even a queue. And that is the challenge we have with the public latrine. That is why it's not working. It's designed for a certain number of population, like those who are coming to the market and going. So they have a threshold. But when we leave our houses and go and use it as a household latrine, we definitely exceed the threshold, then it starts smelling. So the challenge is for us, the individual. If we're able to stand up on these things, I think we can hold the government also to account for his component of the work.